What's up, YouTube? This is the French drop tutorial, coin vanish. And this is what it looks like performed right here. And the coin vanishes. And then reappears however you would like it to reappear. So one more time, this is what it looks like performed. French drop, boom, vanish, comes back just like that. So how it's done? How it's done is pretty simple, but there is a lot of points I would like to point out. How it's done is you hold the coin in between your thumb and fingers, just like this, and all you're doing is letting the coin fall down into your hand, into the finger palm position here. So this is what's happening, just like that. But you're coming in to grab the coin as well, covering up all the action of the coin falling into your hand with your four fingers here. So what happens is it looks like you grab the coin and you really don't. The coin stays over here in this hand in the finger palm position, ready to be revealed any way you would like it revealed. Now, a couple of key points. This is the oldest vanish probably known, and it really focuses on misdirection, because when you're looking at the coin in this hand, the spectator's looking at the coin in this hand. When you pretend to grab the coin with your other hand and move your hands apart, you have to focus on this hand and misdirect them to this one and make the coin vanish and then reappear. And that's the French drop.